Here's the deal. Most traders spend hours looking for trades. They scan multiple time frames, they check 10 indicators. They watch the news, they read forums, and they do all this work, and after that, they still don't know what to do. I generally spend 60 seconds. I can use one chart, one look, one decision. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Chris, 60 seconds, that's impossible. Trading is so complicated. Well, guess what? You don't. I've been trading for over 15 years. I've taught hundreds of traders. Some started with zero experience. Some had blown through accounts, and I've watched them go from spending hours to spotting trades in under a minute. The reason this works is simple. I'm not trying to predict where price is going. I'm just reading what it is doing right now. And that's the stupid, simple way to trade. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I call it the 60-second VWAP scan. No complicated indicators, no multiple time frames, just one thing you need to look at. By the end of this video, you'll be able to open your chart, look at it for 60 seconds, and know exactly what you should do next. Let me show you what most traders are doing wrong. Now, before I show you the scan, let me ask you a question. How many indicators do you have on your chart right now? RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, Stochastic, maybe even a few more. I'm going to tell you something that might make some people angry, but most of these indicators are kind of useless because they're telling you different things. One says buy, one says sell, one says wait, and you're totally confused. You don't know what to do. So here's what actually matters: price, volume, context. That's it. Now look at this. One line, two bands. That's it. Most traders think they need more information, but they actually need less. The 60-second VWAP scan is about eliminating the noise, so you can see what actually matters. The market is telling you what it's doing every single day, but most traders don't listen because they're too busy looking at 10 different indicators. Now, let me show you how to listen. Here's what the 60-second VWAP scan looks like. We have one chart, and we're going to use one indicator, a VWAP with one standard deviation bands. The area between the top and the bottom band is called the value area. This is generally where 70% of all trading happens. And when price is inside the bands, the market is in balance. It's comfortable, it's rotating. Think of it like a beach ball in a swimming pool. If you push it to the edge, it tends to float back to the middle. When price is inside the bands, you're not looking for breakouts. You're looking to fade the edges. This is where you sell the top, buy the bottom. And when price breaks outside the bands and stays there, this is the market in price discovery. Now it's moving, it's trending. Think of it like a ball rolling down a hill. It's not coming back. When price is outside the bands with acceptance, you're not looking to fade the move. This is where you're looking to ride the move. Inside, balance. Outside, discovery. And that is the foundation. There's two conditions, and that's all you need to know. Let me ask you something. Look at this chart. Is price inside or outside the bands? Well, it's obviously inside. This is balance, and that's your first answer. This is the part that took me years to figure out, so don't click away. So here's the scan. 5 steps, 60 seconds, stupid simple. Let's go. Step 1, look at the chart. Is price inside the bands or outside? Well, it's inside. That's balance, and that's your first answer. Now, step 2, if price is inside, the market is in balance. If price is outside and staying there, the market is in discovery. The two conditions. That's all you need to know. Step 3, inside, fade. Outside, ride. Let me ask you something. Price is inside. What's your play here? That's right. You fade the market. You're going to sell the top and buy the bottom. Step 4, look at the edges. Is price testing the top band? Is there rejection, a long wick, a stall? If yes, that's your entry. You're going to sell back to the VWAP. If price is testing the bottom band, you're going to buy it back to the VWAP. And this is the most important part of the scan. You don't enter on the touch all of the time. You enter waiting for a rejection. Now, step 5, stop goes just beyond the wick. Target is the VWAP, 60 seconds, 5 steps, 1 chart, 1 decision. I got something massive for my subscribers. For the first time ever, I'm running a free 3-day live trading challenge. I'm opening up my screen, trading real money live, showing you the exact system I use every single day, step by step. Entry, exit, stop placement, everything. If you've passed challenges before, but you keep blowing funded accounts before that first payout, or you keep jumping strategy to strategy without ever sticking with one, I built this for you. I'm keeping it small, limited spots, and when they're gone, they're gone. I want to make sure everyone who joins actually gets value, get the toolkit, show up to the challenge with the same levels I use, and that's the ultimate combo. But even without it, the challenge is free and you'll still learn everything. Both links are in the description. Don't wait, and I'll see you inside. Now, some of you might be thinking, Chris, this is too simple. There must be more. Well, there can be a little more, but the basics are the most beautiful part of it. Once you understand the basics, the rest comes a lot easier. Now, I'm going to add one more piece, and this is what most traders never learn. This is what separates you from everyone else. The initial balance is the first hour of regular trading hours, the high and low of that first hour. Now, this is crucial because the initial balance tells you where the market is comfortable for the entire session. So let me ask you something. The market opens and the first hour forms this range. Price is trading inside that range. What does that tell you? That's right, balance. The market is comfortable within this range and you fade the edges. Now, what if price breaks above the initial balance and holds? What does that tell you? Well, that's price discovery. The market is moving, and this is where you'll look to ride the move. The VWAP tells you where fair value is. The initial balance tells you where the market has decided to trade for that session. Together, they give you a more complete context. Now, let me add the final piece, the volume profile. The volume profile shows you where the most volume has traded at each price level. It shows you where the big money is. You see these big peaks on the histogram profile? These are called high volume nodes. And this is where a lot of business has been done. I want you to think about hedge funds, institutions, banks, and this is showing you where price is comfortable. And this is where the institutions are doing business. These small areas, the valleys, are low volume nodes. This is where price can reject or move really quickly. Not much business is being done there. So VWAP tells you where, and the volume profile tells you why. And here's why this matters for the scan. When price is testing a VWAP band and there's a high volume node at that level, the probability of rejection increases because there's lots of big money here. When price is breaking through a VWAP band and there's a low volume node above, the probability of acceptance dramatically increases. Price can move quickly through that zone and it can hold above it. So let me ask you something. I want you to look at this chart. Price is at the upper VWAP band, and what's the volume profile showing? That's right, there's a high volume node at this level. There's lots of sellers and buyers here, and there's more confirmation to fade the band. Now let me put all three pieces together for you. We have the VWAP, the initial balance, the volume profile. So step one, look at the chart. Is price inside or outside the VWAP bands? Step two, now check the initial balance. Is price trading inside the first hour range or outside? Well, here price is inside. This confirms the balance. Now step three, look at the volume profile here at the edges. Is there a high volume node at the band? Yes. So this can help you confirm a rejection. Step four, are we inside? Fade. Price at the top of the band, sell. Step five, wait for a bit of a rejection, and your stop is going to go beyond the rejection wick. We're going to target the VWAP. Let me ask you something. All three tools are aligned here. What do? You take the trade. 60 seconds, 3 tools, 1 decision, and that is the complete scan. Let me show you what this looks like on a real day. This is from my actual trade journal, March 15th, NQ. The first 15 minutes, I'm just watching. I don't touch anything. The initial balance hasn't formed yet, and you're trading blind. Then I draw the initial balance. I add VWAP with bands, and I add a volume profile. Here's my 60-second scan. Price is inside the bands and inside the initial balance. The volume profile shows a high volume node at the top band. So what do? I'm going to sell. I'm going to fade it back to the VWAP. Price comes right back to VWAP and I'm done. 15 minutes. But later in the day, the condition changes. Price breaks above the bands, and now it's above the initial balance as well. The volume profile shows a low volume node below. Now, what do? This is where I'm going to buy the pullback and ride the price discovery move. And that's the scan. One chart, 60 seconds, and I didn't have to predict anything. I just read what the market was doing and I follow my system. Now stay with me here. The next part is where most traders lose everything. Not because the setup is bad, because they skip the rules. And this is the most important part of the video, so don't click away. Rule 1, no trades in the first 15 minutes. The initial balance hasn't formed yet. Now you could always use yesterday's initial balance, but you're still kind of trading blind. I watch, I don't touch, and then wait for rule number 2. If there's 3 losses in a row, you need to stop trading for the day. Not 2, not 4, 3. I don't care if the next setup looks perfect. 3 losses and you're done. Come back tomorrow. Now here's rule 3. You need to size so a losing streak is annoying, not devastating. On a $1,000 account, maybe that's $100. If you have a $10,000 account, it could be much bigger. Follow these rules. They will save your account. I've watched too many traders blow up because they ignored them. Now, if you're watching this and you're thinking, Chris, I've been trying this stuff for months and I'm still not consistent. I need real help. I get it. I've been there. I spent years trying to figure this out alone. And that's why I built the Drysdale Inner Circle. It's not for everyone. It's for traders who are very serious about making this their actual profession. We do live coaching. I review your trades personally and I hold you accountable. It's the fast track to consistency. So if that's you, the link for the waitlist is in the description below. And if you want to win with me, you should probably go check it out. And if you want the actual VWAP setup guide with the charts and entry rules, just put the word VWAP in the description comments. I'll send it to you absolutely free. There's also a Discord link in my bio. You can trade live with me and over 12,000 other traders every single morning. Follow this path. You need to stay disciplined and don't skip the steps. So let's go, and I'll see you in the next one.